Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the electric motor. What is an electric motor? It is a device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Working principle of electric motor. A motor work on the principle when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field and current is passed through it. A force act on the coil. A force act on the coil which rotate it continuously. Electric motor consists of a rectangular coil A, B, C, D, which is placed on a uniform magnetic field, and this coil is connected with the battery, and current is flowing through this coil I. This is a split ring that is connected to the coil that changes the direction of the current that flowing through this coil. This is our brushes. Here we discuss the construction of electric motor. Electric motor consists of rectangular coil. This is a rectangular coil placed inside of the magnetic field. This rectangular coil is made up of insulated copper wire. So we write it is a coil of insulated copper wire. This insulated copper wire is placed inside the magnetic field of the two magnets that is produce a strong magnetic field. So here we discuss the strong magnetic field. Rectangular coil is placed between two magnets which provide strong magnetic field. Third thing that electric motor contains that is split ring. Split ring change the direction of current that is flowing through this rectangular coil. Now we discuss the split rings. Split ring reverse the direction of current in rectangular coil. Fourth, it is consists of brushes. The function of brushes that is connected with the split rings. The brushes act as contact between the split ring and the terminal of the battery. So here we write about the brushes. These brushes act as contact between split rings and terminal battery. कौन है? Now we discuss the working of the electric motor. How electric motor work. When it is connected to the battery, current is flowing through this coil, and current is flowing through this coil by framing left hand rule. We found that in this side of the coil, force is acting upward, and this side of the coil, force is acting downward. Due to this upward and downward force, produce the couple which rotate the coil continuously. So here we write this about how the electric motor work. Working of electric motor. When current is passes through coil on AB and CD, experience magnetic force on applying flaming left hand rule on arm AB and CD, experience force inward direction and CD, experience force on outward direction. Two forces which are one force is outward and one force is inward. These two forces produce a couple. Two forces which are equal in magnitude but opposite direction. These two forces, that one force is upward and one force is downward. These are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Form a couple. This couple that produce in the coil, this couple rotate the coil This turning effect or torque on the coil depend on the following factor: current, I, and number of coils N. So this is the working principle of working principle of electric motor.